Hello class 1, good morning. How are you? Fine. So class 1, in our previous class, what did we do? We have started one new chapter, that is chapter number 4. Unity is strength. एकता में ही शक्ति होती है. And that day, what did we do? We have read the story, we have understood the story, and we have done what exercise, that is. What was the exercise? The exercise was true and false. Okay. And I have given you 5 words as homework that day, and today also I am going to give you 5 words to learn and write in your homework notebook. So, before that, let us start today's work, and today we are going to do A2, A3 and A4 exercise from page number 36 from your book, from chapter number 4. Okay, so let us do A2 exercise first. A2 exercise is match it. Okay, and what you have to match? There are 2 columns given here. See, there are 2 columns given here. In this column, some phrases are there, and in this column, their meanings are there. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 phrases are there. And in this column उसके meanings दिए हुए हैं. Phrase से उसके meaning को match करना है, लेकिन पहले उसे समझना पड़ेगा. First we have to understand it. So the words are here. 2 columns are words and their meanings. Okay. So we are going to match the phrases, the group of words with their meanings. And how many are there? They are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Let me write what is written in column 2 first. Okay. Here it is A, B, C and D. In A, it is written with all your power. It means आपके पास जितनी शक्ति है सारी power. Go faster. B says go faster, that is to go जल्दी जल्दी. C says in very little time. बहुत कम समय में, बहुत ही कम time में. And D says to stop running after something. किसी का अगर किसी के पीछे आप भाग रहे हो तो उसे stop करना. In the story, who stopped running? Yes, the hunter stopped running after the doves. Okay, here, so I have written the meanings first, then I am going to write one word, one phrase each, and then I will match them. Okay, so number 1 says pick up speed. Pick up speed. Okay, let me revise the story little, then you will get to know the meaning of pick up speed. When all the doves were tired, जब सारे के सारे doves tired हो गए थे तो क्या हुआ था? Oldest dove said, we are not able to fly anymore, we are very tired. Then the king urged, king ने उन्हें मनाया, just fly a little further, थोड़ा और उड़ लीजिए, फिर उसके बाद हम रेस्ट करेंगे. Then the smallest dove picked up the speed. The smallest dove picked up the speed. जो smallest dove था उसने स्पीड पकड़ा, यानी कि जल्दी से वो उड़कर चला गया. So pick up speed means go faster. Pick up speed means go faster. Number 2, GIVE, give up the chase. Chase मतलब पीछा करना, and give up मतलब छोड़ देना. So give up the chase means पीछा करना, छोड़ देना, and it will be matched to stop running after something. To stop running after something. किसी के पीछे जाना छोड़ देना. किसी के पीछे जाना छोड़ देना. Now next is as hard as you can. As hard as you can. Whenever you are doing your work in the notebook, madam says write beautifully as you can. जितना सुंदर लिख सकते हो उतना सुंदर लिखो, या जितनी अच्छे से लिख सकते हो उतना अच्छा लिखो. As beautiful as you can. Okay. Likewise, as hard as you can means आप जितने अच्छे से उस काम को कर सकते हो. And the meaning to this phrase is as hard as you can means with all your power. With all your power. So the king gave the idea that with all your power in the count of 3 you have to flap your wings and you have to fly all together, taking the net with you. So as hard as you can means with all your power. Number 4 is in no time. In no time. It means in very little time. So this exercise is on page number 36. This is the E2 exercise. Please do it fast so that I could go for the next exercise. Okay? So class 1, is your work ready? Now we have one more work in the book itself. Okay? And I will make you understand this in the book itself. You have to do it. In my later classes, I will revise it. In my later classes, I will revise it. Which is this exercise? This exercise, you can see these pictures. Can you see? See? A boy and a girl. A peacock and a peahen. Peacock and a peahen. Grandfather, grandmother, and gobbler, hen. Gobbler and hen is there. Then king and queen are there. Lion and lioness are there. What you have, and here this picture. See, I am doing it here only. These are the words that this is the, what is this? This is the help box, and we have to mark the picture with their names. Like this is S-U-N, sun. This is C-L-O-U-D, cloud. This one is S-K-Y, sky. See, it is not needed that all the words should have a picture. अगर किसी word के लिए picture नहीं मिले, that doesn't matter, कोई बात नहीं. So, sun, cloud, sky is done. Here it is R-A-I-N, rain. Tree, where is the tree? Can you see the tree? I cannot see any tree because all these are bush. ये सब झाड़ियाँ हैं. So B-U-S-H, bush. R-O-S-E, rose. This is R-O-S-E, rose. And G-R-A-S-S, grass. This can be taken as grass. Grass, grass. So this picture writing and this picture writing is completed. Now we will move towards the question answers. What we will move towards? The question answers. We will move towards the question answers, that is A3 exercise from your book. There are 3 question answers there. वहाँ पर 3 question answers हैं and we have to do it very faster. Class 1, your today's class will be little shorter. आज की क्लास थोड़ी सी छोटी होने वाली है. Okay? So now take out your notebooks because we are going to do the exercise in the notebook. So put today's date, class work, chapter 4, unity is strength. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is unity is strength. Class 1, please remember it, kindly remember it that whenever you are writing any topic or any lesson's name, any poem's name, any chapter's name, the first letter of every word should be capital. Like here, U is capital, I is capital and S is capital. So we are going to do A4 exercise, that is think and answer. In every chapter, I am giving think and answer as oral. But in this chapter, it is your written work. Okay? Think and answer. Think and answer. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, where were W-H-E-R-E, where? Where means kahan? Where were the doves going? Where were the doves going? The answer is very simple. The answer is very simple and it starts with here. The doves were going. The answer is, learn the answer with the teacher only. The first letter will always be capital as I tell you every time. The D-O-V-E-S, doves. W-E-R-E, where. G-O-I-N-G, going. I-N-N. S-E-A-R-C-H, search. The doves were going in search of. What should I write? Water. The doves were going in search of food. The doves were going in search of food. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, what happened to the doves? Doves के साथ क्या हुआ था? The doves were trapped in a hunter's net. Doves क्या हो गए थे? एक शिकारी के जाल में फंस गए थे. Isn't it? So, next question is, what happened? H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D. Happened का मतलब होता है होना. What happened means क्या हुआ? What happened to the doves? Class 1, you must be thinking that why I am writing fastly. I am writing fast of writing fast. You should have the practice of writing fast. That's why I am writing very fastly. Okay. So, question number 1 is, where were the doves going? And the answer is, the doves were going in search of food. Question number 2 is, what happened to the doves? Doves के साथ क्या हुआ? या doves का क्या हुआ? Here I am erasing question number 1 and answer number 1, so that I could write answer 2. So here I am writing answer 2, and the answer is, the doves got trapped. The doves got trapped. The doves got trapped in a hunter's. See how I am writing hunter. This is the spelling of hunter, and I am using an apostrophe. Apostrophe means a comma on the top. Okay. To make you understand, I am telling a comma on the top and S. Hunters. It means hunter ka. And if it is boys, boy ka. Doves, dove ka. So it is hunters. Hunters net. Hunter ka net. So the answer is, the doves got trapped in a hunter's net. The doves got trapped in a hunter's net. Now I am here in question number 3. Question number 3. Class 1, if you are unable to write here in the class work, during the class work, you can, what you can do? You can follow the answer key that we have given in the school online app. This question is little longer. How did the doves escape? How did? कैसे? The doves. वो doves escape का मतलब होता है बाहर निकलना. Escape मतलब होता है बाहर निकलना. How did the doves escape from the hunter? कभी कभी escape का मतलब बचना भी होता है. How did the doves escape from the hunter? Doves hunter से कैसे बच निकले? And here there are 2 questions in question number 3, and the question number 3's second part is, who helped them? Who means कौन? Helped them. उनकी मदद किसने की? उनकी मदद किसने की? उनकी मदद किसने की? तो class 1, I am stopping my class work here itself. I will give you the answer in the next part. So we will do answer number 3 in the next part. Okay. Please note it down fast. After that, I have to give you homework also. This answer we will do in the next part. Okay. So today what you need to do, हमने match it किया, 2 picture writing किया and 2 question answers we have done. And the third question you need to write now, and after that I will give this answer in the next class. So I am erasing the board and I am going to give you 5 words to write. Okay? And the words can be repeated. हो सकता है मैम ने जो वर्ड कल दिया था वो आज भी रिपीट कर दे. Now today's homework. Note down today's homework in your homework notebook. Today's homework in your homework notebook. Today's homework in your homework notebook. Learn and write. The same homework I am giving you today also. Okay? Same homework I am giving you today also. Okay, today's the words are number 1 SEARCH. Search. Search means ढूंढना, खोजना. Number 2 is surprise. SURPRISE. It means किसी चीज को देखकर या जानकर आश्चर्य हो जाना. Okay? You know what is surprise? So the first word is search. The second word is surprise. The third word is together. 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 Together means एक साथ. Together means एक साथ. The fourth word is unity. And the fifth word is strength. You have to learn and write these words in your homework notebook. That too 5 times. पहले spelling learn करेंगे और उसके बाद 5 times उसको अपनी कॉपी में, होमवर्क कॉपी में लिखेंगे. Okay? Okay? So class 1, in the last class I have told you that I will make you practice for the storytelling. जो unity is strength हमने पढ़ा है उसे हम practice करेंगे. Okay? अगर आपको कभी कोई पूछता है कि tell me a story, एक story बताइए. So अब आप बड़े हो गए हो. You need to learn new stories. Dog, cat, lion, tigers को छोड़ के आपको new stories भी सीखना पड़ेगा and learn करना पड़ेगा. So this story, unity is strength. I'm going to make you learn the few lines of it. Okay? So whenever you are starting to tell any story to anybody, how will you start? Suppose my name is Riya. Okay, so how I am starting it? Hello everyone. My name is Riya. Today I am going to tell you a story whose name is Unity is Strength. Did you understand what did I say? Hello everyone. I am Riya. Today I am going to tell you a story whose name is Unity is Strength. And here my story is. whenever you are telling any story to anybody, okay, जब भी कोई स्टोरी किसी को बताओ तो उसमें एक्शंस होने चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? एक्शंस होने चाहिए. ओके, सपोज इफ यू हैव टू से फ्लाई, तो your action should be like this. Suppose you have to say tired, your action should be tired. So likewise, we have to learn the story, we have to tell the story. Okay, so the story is, once there was a flock of doves. Once there was a flock of doves. You have to repeat after me. Repeat the line. Once there was a flock of doves. They flew from one place to another in search of food. They flew from one place to another in search of food. So what is the line? The lines are, once there was a flock of doves. They flew from one place to another in search of food. Class 1, देख कर प्रैक्टिस करनी है, क्योंकि मैम आपको ओरल टेस्ट लेगी किसी दिन इसका. ओके, I will test you that how have you learnt it. Okay, the next line is, okay, I have told you that when the doves were flying in search of food, there was one dove who was leading them, जो उनके आगे आगे उड़ता था. That was a king. So once there was a flock of doves. They flew from one place to another in search of food, led by their king. King कैसा होता है? King एक strong person होता है, isn't it? So led by their king. After that, do you know what happened one day? एक दिन क्या हुआ? You don't have to use Hindi. ठीक है, मैम यूज कर सकती है, but you don't have to use Hindi if you are telling your story in English. So, do you know what happened one day? After flying so long, after flying a long distance, the doves were very tired. The doves were very tired. And the oldest dove said, "We all are very tired. We can't fly anymore." Because the dove was tired, so there was a tiredness in his voice also. क्योंकि dove tired हो गया था, बहुत थक गया था, इसीलिए उसकी आवाज में भी tiredness थी. So what happened? Do you know what happened one day? After flying for a long distance, all the doves were very tired. The oldest dove said, "We are very tired. We can't fly anymore." Okay, class 1. So this was your task for the day. This is the first task that you have to learn and write the words. You have to learn the words and you have to write it 5 times. And the second one is you have to watch the video again and again, and you have to learn the storytelling. Basically, you have to practice the storytelling till the line that I have told you. Okay. So, what was the story? Hello everyone, my name is Riya. Here I am with a story. I am going to tell you a story whose name is Unit is Strength. Once there was a flock of doves. They flew from one place to another in search of food, led by their king. Do you know Do you know what happened one day? After flying a long distance, all the doves were very tired. The oldest dove said, "Ah, we all are very tired. We can't fly anymore." Okay, so class 1, keep on practicing and have a nice day. Bye-bye.